it's chilly outside. Whew. It's nice and sunny, but chilly. I think I'm gonna make hot chocolate. That sounds good. While I'm enjoying this hot chocolate, I wanted to talk about the sponsor of this video. The sponsor of this video is RV Mattress from Brooklyn Bedding, and I got a brand new mattress. So comfortable. So a couple weeks ago I went online. They have so much to look on the website. They have different size, they have different thickness, they have different firmness too as well. So I went over a website. I choose a 6 inches mattress. I've been sleeping on it for a couple days now. So comfortable. I'm so happy. First of all, they reached out to me and I needed a mattress at that same time, which was a perfect timing. The mattress is all sealed. That must be the top. Let's install this. It fit perfectly. Oh yeah. Oh, I think it's gonna be good. So a couple weeks ago I ordered myself a new mattress because I couldn't stand mine anymore. Mine was just a mattress that I purchased at a store. I had to cut it to fit because it's not the regular size here. And it sounds crazy when you have a van or when you don't have a van. You think about mattress, you think about just putting like a regular mattress, but you'd be surprised. First of all, different material feel differently because of the cold. Also, I don't have like all the size that you can possibly imagine. Shorter, wider, you know, like all those things, and you have it on their website. RV Mattress, you do have all the size. They also have 120 days that you can try your mattress, test it, sleep on it. If you're not happy, just tell them. They also have a 10 years warranty, free shipping, and you saw the small little box. It doesn't come like a huge thing, which is awesome. It's way easier. I did it all by myself. Way easier to put in the van instead of like those used mattress. Trust me, I tried to put a full-size mattress in this van and realized that doesn't work. An RV Mattress is a Brooklyn Bedding, which is be a top line comfort and quality, and I love my RV mattress from Brooklyn Bedding, so I think you will love too. So if you're looking for a new bed in your van, you can go over their website, rvmattress.com. You can click on the link that I'm going to put in the description, or go on RV Mattress / the Cat Lady Van for 30% off using the promo code Cat Lady Van. Again, RV Mattress / Cat Lady Van to get 30% off to your order using Cat Lady Van at a promo code. This hot chocolate feels so good. I usually don't drink hot chocolate that often, but on a cold day, nothing better than that. So, typical West Coast, when it's sunny outside, it is also cold. So we had a couple cold nights, and I think maybe next week we're gonna get some snow. I don't know. It's gonna mix snow and rain, but yeah, we're gonna have some cold weather coming. What are you doing?
Try to figure it out anyway. Songs of worries travel with the storm, but I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone.
What a beautiful day. We have some sea lion behind me. I'm going a little bit further, see what we can find. But wow, it's a new beach. I've never been into this area. Gorgeous. And I'll probably say that like 50 times today, but what a beautiful day. It was cold, but like with a good cloud, it's pretty good. The sun just like always welcome. You know guys, usually I post on Monday and Thursday. I decide to, I don't know, for now we'll see how that go, but kind of to change a little bit my schedule. I'm gonna post twice a week, but it's gonna be more random a little bit. Sometimes I just feel like the video's coming on Monday and I'm not ready, or I still need a little bit more time. So instead of like rushing the editing or rushing the video and post it, I kind of like want to take a little bit more time. We're still gonna have 2 videos a week, maybe sometime 3. I remember last summer I wanted to post, kind of had like a lot of video. I was like, when you travel, you have like a lot more to film, a lot more things to say that if you're a little bit more local. And I remember I was like, oh, I have so much video, I'm so much like behind, which was great, but I could have posted like 3 videos a week easily. So maybe we're gonna do a little bit more randomly. So I just wanted to let you know, because I know when I don't post, like sometimes people, are you okay? Are you okay? So yeah, just know it's still gonna have 2 videos a week, but maybe a little bit more random during the week. We'll see how that goes. I kind of want to keep the schedule because it makes me accountable, and I know you guys love to know a specific time that you're gonna see a video. But yeah, we're just gonna try that for a couple more weeks and see how that goes. I could spend the day here. So on a cold day, I really feel to have a green cheese. So usually it's green cheese and soup, but I don't feel to have a soup. But we're gonna have a green cheese, that's for sure. I will set up all my my stove like usual. But I'm like, no, I do have the perfect tool for that. What I'm talking about. There you go. I do have this that is a sandwich maker and a waffle maker. So we're gonna use this. Yeah. Let's put that away. Oh yeah. Woohoo. So good. All right. This was way too good. This is why I don't make those things. It's like pasta. If I make some pasta, I want like a giant ball. I just like eat. And now I just like I made two greasers, and like I was like, did I go for another round? Did I make two more? I'm like, okay, no, it's good. It's good for now. Just enjoying the sun, guys. It's so warm. The environment's so warm, and it's so cold outside. A lot of people were asking me like, oh, that I've done 3 winter, I think I've done without a heater in Canada. We slept all the way to the cold that I slept in my car was -17, so quite cold, by the way. But when it's sunny, it's super warm. The van is, I think it's 21 degrees, 22 degrees inside the van right now, and the front it's probably even warmer than that. It's so nice. You have to do the opposite of what you do in the summer. You park in the sun, you face in the sun, the front here. You keep your curtain closed so all the warm air stay in front. And yeah, Kitty and I spend the day here. It's nice and warm. That's what I call it, my sunroom, because that's pretty much that. You have the view, you can check on people, and it's nice and warm. Perfect. But as soon as the sun's gonna go down, it's gonna get cold, and I'm gonna have to start the heater. I didn't start the heater today at all during the day, but yeah, as soon as the sun's gonna go down, I'm gonna have to put the heater again. So I think we're gonna spend a little bit of time around Sunshine Coast. Maybe we're gonna go play in the snow. I've been thinking about it. My van is horrible in the snow. That's why I've been trying to not go in the snow. But maybe I'm gonna try to play a little bit in the snow. That'd be great. Every winter, that's what I want to do, and then don't do it because I know how bad the van is, and I don't want to get stuck in all this. But we'll see. We'll see what I'm gonna end up doing. The weather is pretty good, and so I don't think it's got a ton of snow on the road. I don't mind the snow in the woods. We can, you know, we can maybe rent some snowshoes, things like this, but I don't want any snow on the road. Or any ice, because yeah, the van is not the greatest. Yeah. Next van we're gonna plan things better for it, and maybe get something that it's reliable a little bit more on the winter. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty and the beautiful view that we have. You have a nice view, Kitty. You want to give them a kiss? Kitty, kissing time. It's kissing time. Kitty. Kitty. It's kissing time. It's kissing time. She's like, yo, it's bird watching time. Alright, I'm gonna let you watch the bird. I'm gonna do the same thing too.